let's code this e-commerce store. So we have this kind of transition effect. We have all of this stuff. So let's begin coding. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. Let's go create a new page. You can find this in the app folder, and then Summer Sandal Showcase 6. Only this other stuff is for other tutorials. So inside of app folder, this one in the GitHub below. Use client because I'm using NextJS, and npm install Framer, Motion, and Lucid React. Let's define some sandals here. So this is mock data. You can find these images also here in the public folder if you scroll below. We're gonna add a few products. Feature icon. So you can add types. I didn't have time to add types, but it will work. I would add in production for sure. So we have this icon map. We map this string to the icon from Lucid React, and then return this feature, icon and feature. So let me show you. You see these icons. So this is icon, this is feature, icon, feature. This is what we are defining here. And then product card. Also add interface if you want, in production for sure. And then we're gonna add some like motion, transitions and stuff. So you see how it's moving when I hover over it. Div, image, product price, below div, name, description, div, map the features. So these are the features that we are going to map. So name, description, features, and add to cart at the bottom. So let's add to cart. Below that, let's say shipping info, shipping information, and all of this shipping information. And then this is the main page. Current product, set current product. So this is so we can like change products like this. Okay, next product, previous product. We're just gonna do this and then divide by length so it circles back from 0. And then this is the div, another div, and then summer souls, whatever, title, paragraph, embrace the heat with the comfort. I think this is these titles and stuff. Then we will make 2 divs, animate presence, motion div. We will create a product here, and then we can have this left icon. You can just Google left icon, left arrow icon, or emoji, left arrow emoji, and copy paste it here. Right arrow emoji, and then shopping information below, div, why choose our shoes, soles, whatever, and then this kind of information. So this is what we have. We're here, and then we have motion div, ready to step into summer, explore all styles, and that's it. This is what we got at the end. Thank you for watching. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. See you in the next video.